You know when you put your eyeliner on and the line just doesn't go right? I'm going to share with you easiest and quickest way to fix those little mistakes. I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner on, and say that that kind of little wing hasn't gone how you want it. I'm going to show you how you can perfect that line. So I'm just going to draw on a line that I probably would want to fix. So I'll go like that. Think, oh no, my winged eyeliner. What you'll do is you'll get a Q-tip. You are going to twiddle the top into a kind of point. Now you can buy pointed Q-tips, but if you don't have those at hand, you can just simply twiddle it in your hand like that. So you're going to give it a point. Then with some face cream or some eye cream, you're going to twiddle that tip into the cream, because this is going to help move the liner into the shape that you want. So I've now got my pointy thing here. And then what I tend to do with a eyeliner that's gone wrong, it's usually the fact it's either too thick or it hasn't gone kind of swoopy uppy enough. So what I will do is I will move it up like that, and it will almost extend the line up, make it thinner. And then with the clean end, the dry end of the Q-tip that doesn't have any cream on, I will just further move that line up, and you'll see what that does. It makes the line longer and thinner. Now, if you feel that line is too long, then all you'll do is get another Q-tip, put it into your cream to make your little eraser. You can twist it into a little shape, and then just take down that tip there. And that's a very easy, quick way to move your winged liner into the perfect shape for you. I hope that helps, and I'll see you soon. Bye.